I have a Delta monitor shower faucet that was installed in 1991 when my house was built. Is there any way to identify what model it is? The bolt holes are at 4 and 7 o'clock. It has a crystal-looking plastic handle that rotates the housing for the volume control and a dial in the middle that adjusts the temperature. The plastic dial broke and I can't adjust the temperature anymore.
Welcome to JustAnswer. If you could provide a picture, that would be great, but it sounds like you have a 1700 series Delta. Full-size image.
JACUSTOMER. Full-size image. This is in the other shower, but they are both the same. The plastic dial broke in half, and not sure how to fix it. The volume handle still works fine.
Jerry, okay, that is the 1500 series trim. You should be able to get these from Ferguson Plumbing if you have one close by. The screw holes are actually 5 and 7 o'clock, correct?
JACUSTOMER, okay, so this is a monitor 1500, do I just try and get a new dial or do I have to have a new kit with a cartridge and new handle and dial? And yes, the holes are at 5 and 7 o'clock.
Jerry, you may be able to get only the center dial, but probably would be special order. The complete trim package may also be special order though, now that I think about it. Have you talked with anyone at Delta?
JACUSTOMER, not yet, but my research on this had other people saying Delta only makes kits for valves with the holes at the 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock position. I really don't want to have my wall torn out to replace the valve, so I'm hoping there is something compatible with my existing valve.
Jerry, okay, I know I have seen these recently, but I'm having a little trouble right now coming up with where I saw them. I used to work at the Home Depot as a master plumbing specialist, and I think they had these trim kit for these 1500 series, but I searched their website and do not see them now. Do you have a Ferguson Plumbing supply nearby?
JACUSTOMER, not that I recollect. I do have a Menards and Home Depot, and a PHE store, plumbing, heating, and electric. Maybe I can check with them now that I know that it is a monitor 1500.
Jerry. 12800-345-3358 is the Delta helpline also.
JACUSTOMER, I'll give them a call first thing tomorrow.
Jerry, thanks for using JustAnswer.
JACUSTOMER, sounds great, thanks for finding that series number for me.
Jerry, you are welcome. http://www.faucetwarehouse.com/delta/rp16202. Here is the part that I am pretty sure you need. Thanks for the rating, and thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.